Mind you, they did indicate properly, and there's a lady looking at me. She's probably thinking, what the fuck's that weirdo doing there? C4 Picasso, they're nice cars, but that sums it up. When all the breather pipes block up, the banjo bolts and breather pipes, the sump, all that blocks up, then the turbo fails. And if you change the turbo and if you haven't cleaned it out properly, guess what? The turbo fails again. It's fucked. And that's why I gave up on my C4 Picasso. But they're actually very economical, very comfortable, really nice car actually. You know. Whoa! Whoa and whoa and whoa. Right, next time I went home for my dinner, we're not going to get nothing here.